Picture this, a midnight observatory on a cliff. A telescope trained not on distant stars, but on the idea that pleasure has unexplored planets. Tonight, our mission is twofold: planetary science and the secret little orbit called anal pleasure. And yes, for curious adults only, with consent and care as our guiding constellation. Imagine your body as a solar system. Some planets are warm and familiar. Others are quiet, waiting behind medley of nerves. The anus is one of those hidden worlds, rich in nerve, sensitive to pressure and rhythm. Not unlike a moon with its own tide. The legend says explorers who respect the landscape find new kinds of gravity, deeper relaxation, waves of sensation, surprising rightness. The myth is sensual. The reality? It's about curiosity, safety, and slow mapping. First rule of the observatory: consent. Before you suit up, talk like scientists. Use clear words. Share limits. Agree a safe word. Commit to checking in. Small course corrections. Keep the trip joyful. Next, equip yourself. In planetary work, you never leave without tools. Clean, body-safe toys with a flared base. Freshwater-based lube, condoms, if swapping or sharing, and warm hand. Do not improvise with objects that could get lost. This is a safety briefing, not a campfire dare. Begin with atmospheric preparation. Warm baths, soft lighting, a playlist that steadies your pulse. Create a cabin that says, explore slowly. Breathwork is your spacecraft's engine. Long, slow breaths invite the body to relax. Relaxation lowers resistance and opens access to new sensations. Think of it as aligning your orbit. Now the gentle reconnaissance. External touch first. The area around the opening is responsive and can tell you what your partner likes. Use fingers gloved or clean. Plenty of lube and a soft carry-out. If all systems are green, no pain, only interested. Progress in tiny steps. Is static? Communication remains radio contact. Pause, ask, listen. If anything feels wrong, abort and comfort. Aftercare is not optional. It's the warm landing that makes the whole trip worth repeating. There are common mistakes in amateur astrology of the flesh. Rushing the approach, skim the en route, ignoring hygiene, or switching from one terrain to another without protection. Think like a careful mission plan. Hygiene before and after, there are your methods where needed. And toys washed and stored safely. And never forget the flared base rule, designed to keep returns safe. Now, the occult twist in urban tales spoken in observatories and bathhouses. The red moon that hums. Some people swear, but under certain rhythms. Focus and mutual trust. Sensations ripple outward like moon pool tide, unlocking waves of pleasure that change how you orbit intimacy. Take it as metaphor and experiment to find your frequency. End of transmission. Exploration of this planet rewards patience, consent, and care. Be curious, be prepared, respect boundaries, and treat the experience as a shared scientific adventure. If you follow the map's breadth, lube, talk, slow progress, safe tools, you may discover a new satellite in your relationship scope. Ready your telescope, check your equipment, and when both of you say yes, go explore with wonder.